Hi everybody, this is Mike and Lori with Hamburg Honey. Today we removed a drone laying queen from this hive, and these are all the cells. We are checking the cells, some of the brood for Varroa mites, early season mites, to see if we can find any. Might give us an indication of, a prelude to how it's going to be this year. Oh my. Mike was doing this with his fingers. I like to use tweezers, but every time I do it mashes them, but like that. We checked a few, and we didn't see any Varroa on them. Let me see if I can zoom in a little. Or zoom out. Yeah, there was nothing on this brood. We checked about 4 or 5. We broke open 4 or 5 of them. Checking to see how old they are, and there's even eggs in there. We're worried about the eggs because we hope that it's not the workers doing that. I had taken a picture of the eggs. There were 2 in one, and some of them were on the sides of the cells. So let's see. Here, I could see it better on my phone. You could see there's a couple eggs, 2 eggs in one cell there, and then these eggs are on the side. That could be from shaking the bees out, who knows, or the workers could be, if there's a drone laying worker in there, we might be in trouble. So we're still hoping that they'll make a queen, she'll get mated, and we'll save this hive. But for now, we're going to continue checking for Varroa. This side had a few. It's got more eggs in it than it does the cells filled, but it's like she started laying on this side and just decided she didn't like it and went to the other side. But yeah, I don't think there's much Varroa in this hive. We haven't seen any so far, but if we do, we'll document it and let you know. It's a good indication though of what your season might be like with Varroa. Here's another one. And I don't see any on there. Just clean baby. So we're going to stick this in the freezer, so just in case there is, they'll die. And we'll put this in a hive for them to clean out when we get a super hive going. This has been Mike and Lori with Hamburg Honey. Get out and enjoy your bees.